3, 2, 1. It kind of goes a bit quick.
Wow! This is one we've been told that we're not allowed to try at home. Is that right?
Yeah, don't. This is a gas that you would use for kind of like lighters or other bits and pieces. Okay. So it's at pressure inside this.
Okay.
So it's cooled down, so it's in pressure within it. So when I take this
standing away.
You're all right. So when I press this into this little container, you'll see it coming out. Now we're outside, obviously, so there's air.
Is this a gas or is it going to be a liquid?
So it's a gas. It will turn into. So you're looking at like lots of laws here, like Charles' law, the ideal gas law.
I mean, don't be looking over; it's going to blow.
It's just not going to blow. So when I pour this into this now here, so don't worry, lads, relax. Okay. It's okay. I'll tell you when you need to panic. So when I pour this into this, because it's a different density, but also it'll sit on the top. You can see it kind of bubbling there.
And what have you poured that into? Just water?
Just normal water. Now, the thing about this is, when I turn it upside down, what's going to happen is the water is going to be forced through it.
Okay.
And 1 millilitre of this will expand roughly, when it's a liquid, from 1 millilitre into about 230, 250 times volume size as when it's a gas. So if I turn this upside down and I go 3, 2, 1. It kind of goes a bit quick.
Wow!
So I could do it again if you like.
Cool.
So, and it's also a nice refreshing spritz in the morning.
I know we got drenched. That's cool.
Isn't it? Okay, so now obviously this is the reason we say don't try this at home, because
where do you buy this stuff?
Butane gas is
see the way you poured this.
It's not. So it's flammable. It's highly flammable. So this is dangerous stuff to be doing.
The way you poured this in now, and it starts to bubble.
Yeah, so I'm increasing the surface area what it touches when it turns upside down. Like.
Okay.
So when I do this again now.
Okay.
You ready?
Stand back.
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
And that's
Whoa!
that direction.
We're over the car park.
And whoever's car it was, I'm sorry.
Newton turns out was quite cool then, wasn't he?
Newton was amazing. Newton invented a whole new level of maths. But the thing is, like, you can start with something so simple, go bigger and bigger, and you can apply it to something like Artemis 2 that goes to the moon or anything else like that. This is what kids need to see, or adults need to see. Start small, dreams can go anywhere.